Welcome to 2175 Teakwood Court in Hollister, California. Come on in. Notice the natural lighting as it bounces off the beautiful engineered floors. The convenience of a gas fireplace makes lighting a fire quick and easy. Ample dining space leads to very efficient kitchen with a prep island suited for an in-home office or third bedroom. This home fits everyone's needs. Guest bath is updated with stone tile flooring, enhanced by natural stone accents in the shower. Primary bedroom offers cathedral ceiling, a walk-in closet, jacuzzi tub, and backyard access. The backyard offers beautiful settings amongst tall redwood trees where you can enjoy everything that nature has to offer. 2175 Teakwood Court is located on a peaceful court nestled in a wonderful neighborhood. Thank you so much for visiting.